Click top plane, then choose sketch. Create center rectangle. Set length at 220 millimeters. Width at 120 millimeters. Then choose extruded boss. Set depth at 50 millimeters. Draft angle at 1.5 degrees. OK. Create sketch on the front plane. Center line. Line. And arcs. Set dimension at 27 millimeters. 18 millimeters. 40 millimeters. Change all arcs relation became tangent. Equal. Set radius at 25 millimeters. 30 millimeters. And 35 millimeters. Copy the sketch with mirror command. Select sketch, then click centerline as mirror. Right-click ending. Choose split. Cut part. Select body 1 and body 2 to cut. OK. Fillet radius at 20 millimeters. And 2 millimeters. Create sketch on the right plane. Center line. Center point arc. Close with the line. Tangent. Set radius at 30 millimeters. Choose extruded boss. In direction 1, choose up to surface. And in direction 2, choose up to surface 2. Choose shell. And set thickness at 1.2 millimeters. Then select faces to remove. Show preview. OK. On the right plane, choose sketch. Create circle with 37 millimeters of diameters. Then choose extruded cut. Offset at 105 millimeters. Through all. Reverse direction. OK. Fillet radius at 3 millimeters. Click right plane, then choose mirror. Select cut extruded 1 and fillet 3. OK. Fillet radius at 5 millimeters. Choose 4 edges. OK. Then fillet radius again at 0.8 millimeters. OK. Create sketch on this plane. Show sketch 1, then click Offset Entities. Set offset distance at 1.25 mm. Reverse. OK. Then choose Extruded Boss. Set depth at 85 mm. Unchecked Merge Result. Draft angle at 1.5 degrees. OK. Create cutting sketch on the front plane. Centerline. Center point arc. Midpoint. Horizontal. Set height at 75 mm. OK. Choose Split. Select Body to split. Cut bodies. Select Body 1 and Body 3 to cut. OK. Fillet radius at 18 mm. Create sketch on the right plane. Offset entities at 0.5 mm. Convert entities. Extend entities. And trim to closest. OK. Then choose Extruded Boss. Choose from Surface. Set depth at 1.6 mm. Selected bodies. OK. Click Sketch 7, then choose Extruded Boss. From Surface. Click Surface. 1.6 mm of depth. Reverse direction. Selected bodies. OK. Hide this body. Shell the thickness at 1.2 mm. OK. Fillet radius at 0.8 mm. Select several edges. OK. On the top plane, choose Sketch. Centerline with midpoint line. Create circle at 33 mm of the diameters. Mirror this circle. Then create Rs. Tangent to the circle. Mirror the arc. Trim to closest. Set dimension at 98 mm. And 22 mm. Extruded cut. Through all. Reverse direction. OK. On the top plane, offset entities from Sketch 8 at 2.5 mm. OK. Then choose Split Line. Click Face to split. Right-click to OK. Offset surface at 0 mm. OK. Then thicken at 1 mm. OK. Delete face on delete and pitch options. Select face to delete it. OK. Full round fillet. Side face set 1. Center face set. Side face set 2. OK. And fillet radius at 1.2 millimeters. OK. Edit appearance. Right-click, in clear selections. Select bodies. In green color. Keep visible, then OK. Yellow color for base bodies. OK. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope to see you again in the next video.